Yes, this is a bright morning. My name is Engineer Chinedu Obingwa. I am about to take you on a tour of some advanced manufacturing technology equipment and some other equipment and machines that I procure, I commission, I install, I also train people on programming and their operations. I also do repairs, that is maintenance on them. This is IMSU, and this workshop is the workshop for Center of Industrial Studies in IMSU. So I'm going to take you right in. Have a pleasant journey. This is the IMSU Center for Industrial Services workshop, where I train their staff and their students on the use of industrial machines, advanced manufacturing technology machines. This is the surface grinder, the surface grinding machine. It's automatic. Here is, one of my favorite machines. It's a VMC 750, which is actually a vertical machining center. 750. It's an extraordinary machine that I installed. I was the one that installed this machine. I also had to repair it in the process. And it's a machine that is very versatile in its operation. It's a center for vertical machining. So right here you can automatically, and using programs, G-code programs, you can actually have a variety of machining processes done, in a controllable, in a program controllable way. You can drill, you can ream, you can also face mill, you can do end milling operations and the likes right here. And then here you have another beautiful machine. It's called, many names. It is called a die sinking electric discharge machine, EDM. Some people call it spark erosion, depending on your local government, your technical local government. Well, it's a machine which does not use an abrasive tool. Instead, the machining is done through an electrical process. And just like when you have the initiation of sparks. And then because it is CNC controlled, the sparks can traverse the feature of the tool that you are using for the sinking, operation. It can be used for a lot of stuff. I also installed this machine, and I have trained people on using it. Use it to, to effect cavities in molds. Very good for, you can use it for different kinds of clutch lever molds. You can use it for, shoe sole molds, and the rest. This is another CNC machine. That is a CNC machine. The EDM is a CNC machine because it's controlled. The axes are controlled using stepper motors. Now this is another rugged machine. This is a CNC turning center. This is a turning center. While the first was a vertical machining center, this one is a turning center. This is a 4-turret or 4-tool station CNC turning center. It can be used for turning operations and the likes. This is, mini CNC milling machine, but this, the processor is not in situ the machine. The processor is right in this computer system. This is a 1 meter CNC lathe. It's a 1 meter. You see that? This is also a 1 meter CNC lathe. And the control system for these two, this last two, the control system is built by GSK, a Chinese controller manufacturer. While the VMC 750, the VMC 750 is built by Fanuc. This is a Fanuc, the VMC 750, and of course the CKD 6150D, the CNC turning center. They're all controlled by the Fanuc controller. So these machines are installed, and then I train staff and students on how to use them, and I also repair them too. This is the CIS Workshop of IMSU. Thank you very much.